Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Grabando Garcia. I study Ingeniería Industrial. Excuse me, in English is Engineer Industrial. I belong to Jose Villomas in the city of Bogota. My group is 19, 121, 18. On this occasion, I presented activity 4 of the English course 3. The presentation is about the visit to the planetarium. We had visited on the way to the Transmillennium Planetarium and Ballroom of Santa Maria and some monuments of Libertadores that in the center of the city. View pictures. Visit with my children planetarium of Bogota. I consider the planetarium a monument for its architecture. It's considered a planetarium because it's a building that recreates its presentation of astronomy in general. Some of its attraction, the planetarium, the pictures, number 1, conference about the moon, number 2, Galileo Galilei theater play, number 3, spectacular, function colors of the universe in the dome, the pictures happy, participation in the tribute 50 years of the men who visit the moon for the first time. Space suite, rocket copy to sky, and moon rock. We finish with a rocket launch simulation. The video, please. Thank you. Bye and bye. Thank you.